we finished our head. We have it all painted. We have the eyes put in. That's all set up in there, so it's good. So what we want to do now is we're going to work on getting everything back together. And we got these two rods. These are for our spring mechanism for our ears. So we're going to hook this up first. So we got those hooked up. We need to take and screw our screw in here to hold the top of the spring. There we go. Test that. That's working good. Now we're going to do the same to the other side. That's working good. So the ear mechanism's working well. So now we want to take the mouth, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some paste wax and put here. This just helps it slide so it doesn't catch. We'll put some on the inside here. Get up front. So now we're going to hook up our mouth. So there's our spring. We have our 24-inch piece of nylon string here. Going to get that hooked up. We tie this in a knot. And then to keep it from coming loose, we're going to put a staple in here. So it won't come loose when we're pulling on it. So we're going to check our, you want to make sure everything's working properly before you seal it all up. Otherwise, then you got to take it all apart and start over. Going to be okay, so we're going to attach the mouth back. We'll screw the hinge back to the lower part of the mouth. You want to make sure everything fits properly. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Put a little wax up here on our dowel so the string will slide a little easier. Check our tension on this. I think we're okay. Yep, mouth works good. Ears work good. So last thing we want to do is we got our 1-inch ring, which I find works better because you can use your finger or your thumb, whichever you prefer. And I always leave this long so whoever gets this can move the ring down if they want. But you can see it works good with the finger or the thumb. So now we're ready to seal it back up. The only thing I want to do is I want to close these off a little bit so our spring doesn't come loose or pop down on us. Thanks for watching.